Atlas? What is this thing? Did you know the Airstream, you see Airstream right there, made a class B or B plus? I had no clue. Let's go take a look at this one. Okay, hopefully the road noise is not too much. And you see Interstate 45 is right behind us here, right behind this storyteller and stuff, but Atlas, this is on a Mercedes chassis. This is from Airstream. I did not know Airstream made a class B or B plus. Carefree awning, powered awning. Outside here, looks like a folding step. Comes out. And we got one storage back here. It looks like there's your furnace. What we got back here? Oh, nice storage compartment. Automatic light comes on. Across the back, huge window in the back. At least I think it's a window, can't see in. Don't really see any outside storage unless there's something. Oh, there is outside storage, but how do you get into it? You just lift? Well, you just do. Huh. Well, how do you lock? Oh, so electronic locks you see right there. I was wondering how you got into the thing. So outside storage, you got one there. What we got in here? Another outside storage. This is in the slide right here. Use the Swintech slide. Carefree awning on this, or carefree slide topper actually. Huh. Very interesting. So if there's actually something in here, well, probably a generator maybe. What's in here? Okay. So this is your wet bay. Got a little bit of storage here for a power point. You have a smart plug. There's for your propane fill. Looks like they have a diesel heater. I'm surprised. No clue. Airstream. Airstream makes a class B or B plus. Huh. So that means this might be the generator then, which does not open. This opens though. Little storage underneath down there. Yep, generator. I see the green Onan right there. So the generator's right there. So actually the exhaust on the other side is actually for the generator. Now, this is more storage here. More storage. 2 storage compartments right there with a light. Wow. Okay, now $100,000 question. This is a powered step. As you notice, there's no step here. Let's open the door and find out. Look at that. That is too cool. Wow. Look inside this Airstream. Holy mackerel. I don't know what this thing costs. This is impressive. So it has a Murphy bed. Right here, you see it's folded up. Okay, let's spend a little time going through this one. I don't even know how to describe this. This is the first time I've ever seen one of these. If you've seen one of these before and like these, put a comment below. Okay, start up here in the front. You have storage above. You got cable in there. Looks like it's Starlink prepped already. Oh yeah. A couple speakers. This is your control panel. Nice Mercedes layout in the front. You got one storage compartment right here. Oh, that's all your controls. So your gen set. This is your power control system. This controls all your inverter. And then of course your slide controls and your Victron display right there. 16.5 coming in right now. Watts. No, it's 160 watts coming in on the solar. Not bad. Nice little handle coming in. Oop! There goes my sunglasses. Put them right here. Now, how can you tell you're an Airstream without saying you're an Airstream? Take a look at the ceiling. Aluminum ceiling. That's how you can tell you're an Airstream. Nice fit and finish. Here, you got another control panel. This must be for lightings and also your tanks. Right here. It's like a nice, what is this, a jackknife? Yeah, it looks like a jackknife. Anything in here? No, it's just a jackknife. There's your table storage right there. Table goes right there. I'm not sure what's in this bag. Very nice, but here, beautiful leather couch. A little deep for me. I don't know. Let me know if you have the same problem. So my knees are where they should be. You see right there. And my back is nowhere near the rear. So I'm leaning way back like this. This is my problem with short legs that my wife and I have. Right, Debbie? But nice view from this way. You see a televator Samsung TV with sound bar and plenty of storage up here. Let's take a look. Nice storage, passes all the way through. Well, some serious springs on those hinges. Take a look here. Okay, we got one that's kind of hinky. Okay, there's your Starlink router. But plenty of screws put in this thing. Nice quality put into that. So this is already prepped, probably with a mini Starlink. Get storage down here. Do have a Nova Cool refrigerator. 12, well, that's nice and cold inside there. Freezer down here. I think it's Nova Cell, not Nova Cool. Let's take a look at this now. Now this is a propane coach because it's not induction. You got propane 2-burner here. Nice sink. I don't know what's in here. Ah, trash can. And up here, more storage. Plenty of storage inside here. Take a look at this. There's carpeted in the bottom. Get a little rub right here. That has to be adjusted. A little rub right there. That's kind of irritating for a new coach. You see there's a big gap right here. You got storage down here. That's for your sponges. Dovetail? Not dovetail. Just little brad nails. Let's see what's down here. Nice big storage down there. So we do have an extension right here for extra shelf space or extra prep space. More drawers, 3 more drawers. Oh, this is your silverware drawer. Soft close cabinetry, another one. And final one down here with a light in it. Anything down here? Oh, there we go. This keeps going on and on and on. This must be the pantry. Oh, pull-out pantry, look at that. Are these adjustable? Adjustable shelves, pull-out pantry. Love it. Also soft close. And up here, we got another little storage space and access to the plug for your microwave is right here. This is convection or just microwave? Convection microwave. Teeny little thing, but it works. And look at the space back here. We actually have a door. Let me close this. Oh, how can you tell you're in an Airstream without saying you're in an Airstream? Look at that. You definitely tell. The Airstream branding continues through this entire coach. Got a Dometic fan back here, like a Max Air fan. A little storage above the toilet. Again, you see the metal finish on the inside. Toilet. And look at this shower in a Class B+. Wow. Well, of course, we're on a hill, that's why we want to do this. Nice soap holder. Now, the only thing would be challenge is nothing is to stay here during your travel days. But one piece, that's not really one piece, I guess it's a 2-piece, but well sealed, craftsmanship here. All the sealing goes all around. I don't see any gaps. Plenty of room inside there. You just use a plastic lock like that. Beautiful medicine cabinet. Oh, look at these. Honey, you love these. That looks nice. And nice sink, storage below the sink. This is for your water. They have the water heater on. Interesting. And let's take a look inside here. Wardrobe, cedar line. Look at that. And 2 drawers down here. Look at this. I'm telling you, the amount of storage in this Airstream is impressive. And what we got in here? One last compartment. guess another cedar line, one little shelf at the top. Does have a light inside there. Plenty of storage. Okay, if this is 4-wheel drive, this might be the new favorite. I don't know if it'd be the new favorite, but it'd be fun to take to Alaska. I put this in the same realm as leisure travel vans. Myself, just the fit and finish and quality inside here. Very sleek, modern looking. Put a comment below and tell me if you like this or not. Does this styling meet your palate? Some people have different thoughts and what they want to see in a RV, different color palettes, different textures. Some like the more traditional look, and this is more on the modern, sleek look. Wow. I like it. So what do you think about the Atlas? There's one more. Here's one more or two more here. There are two more. They might be the same. Let's just pop our head inside, take a look, see if they're same floor plan or different floor plans. This one, the steps are already out. And I go around the outside to see if the floor plan is different on the inside. No, this looks the same. Same floor plan. Yep, same floor plan.
I just noticed the slide is in on this unit. Look how much room you have. That's amazing.
So far, they got 3 Atlases sitting here. Might have had 4. Looks like there's a space for one right here. And take a look at this Atlas here. Different color scheme on this one here. This looks a little shorter. This is a shorter Tommy Bahama relaxed style. Getting the Lippert powered steps that make a lot of noise. Airstream badging. Take them inside here. Okay. Now this color I can like. Now being from Florida and doing a lot of scuba diving, owning boats, this is it right here. Look at this. It's got the Tommy Bahama relaxing style badging. Live the island life. It looks like you're in a yacht inside. You got this tweed look right here. This is the Murphy bed. And look at the palm fronds built into the panel right there. You got the wooden blinds. Myself, instead of having white or black. Wow. Oh, welcome to the smoke alarm. Same floor plan, just a different look. This is very nice. Of course, it has the AC system built in for quiet. This is your air intake here. Then the exhaust vents are throughout the couch. So it makes a very quiet AC system as compared to just having the big dump right here. And you can't even hear the TV anymore. TV on a televator. And if you liked the lighter colors, oh, this is a little different. That one did not have this. You got a place for your wine bottles and your glasses. So a little vino or a little hot toddy. There's all the remotes are in there. You're good to go. Ow! That's loud. I need to leave. I'm just saying, I need to leave. I'm impressed. So if you're looking for something a little different in a Class B Plus and you want more of that luxury feel, I don't know. You go check out Airstream. I never seen one until today. I'm impressed. I'm just saying.